Hawaii. O ne ia kahola a winala. E winala. Okay, ia kala e kolu o ke mapa. December 3rd. And I want to make something interesting. Something typically Hawaiian. Not traditional, but island. Now listen. Well, let the ingredients speak for herself. Hamburger. Can you get to that? Watercress. Or in Hawaiian they say leko. Paʻakai, onion, paʻakai pilau, garlic, tofu, kai, upepe or something. No, that's wrong. Anyways, oyster sauce, ham, chopsuey, mung bean. Okay, I'll show you the after video. Mahalo and aloha. So as you can see here, I am browning the hamburger in my wonderful pot, one of my favorite pots. I think I need a new one anyways. Browning the hamburger, and as you could see right there, this is onions. In Hawaiian we say paʻakai. Yeah, I love onions hard. And then we'll be putting in some whole garlics and some ginger. Nice ingredients for wonderful seasonings. Wish you were here. I just added the seasonings. I added just a pinch. Yeah, this is a pinch full of Hawaiian salt, oyster sauce, just like 3 jugs, yeah, chucks or whatever it's called. Yep. And then I added 1 cute little silver teaspoon, kind of heaping. There's a little heaping of hamha. Oh, it smells like Chinatown hard. But you're living, and so whole or watercress. And look, this is how they served it in cute little quarter bunches. I would say half, but I swear watercress can go longer. Anyways, rotafia, rotaki. I was gonna cut her in half and throw her in. So into the pot we threw the leko or the watercress and some some chopsuey mix from Foodland Hard. And I'd like to put in everyone's favorite tofu, or I like to say topu. Try to make it Hawaiian hard. And so, as I said before, this is my favorite pot, the purple Dutch oven, hard, and that's how she looks like. Voila, as they say. Yeah, looks kind of lovely, right? So yeah, go ahead, try it. I'm removing the pot off the heat because I don't like when my vegetables are palahe, Hawaiian word for overcooked and too super soft. I like vegetables with crunch because when you have crunch in your vegetables, that's just so lovely and so adult. Yeah, when I try to feed everyone Gerber food, yeah. So anyways, hamburger watercress chop suey with hamaha and oyster sauce. Or for short, Hamburger Watercress. Well, that's my video. Thank you folks for watching. Be sure to like and mahalo.